welcome to you all. We are very excited to share our work with you today. Today we will be presenting about drama performance in action. Okay. No. Laskar Pelangi, The Rainbow Troopers, a critically acclaimed Indonesian film released in 2010 in an age and recently Riri Riza stand as a poignant cinematic adaptation of Andrea Hiray's best-selling novel. The film vividly portrays the inspiring true story of a group underprivileged children in Belitung, an island in Indonesia. Wow, despite facing immense socio-economic limitation, pursues their education with unyielding spirit and dreams. This presentation will delve into in its analysis of Laskar Pelangi, specifically examining the pivotal role of drama performance in action through the lens of the director's vision, completing actor performance, evocative visual design, and impactful aural design, culminating in an understanding of who these elements harmoniously cause to create a holistic and meaningful cinematic experience. The film's authentic portrayal of struggle and hopes, particularly to the natural acting of native Belitung child actor, offered a powerful message of perseverance and the transformative power of education. With its feature first, I will open our presentation. With the next material will be presenting of Ernie Febrian.
Thank you, moderator. Point number 1, the direction role, Riri Riza. How is his vision evident in overall performance? Riri Riza's vision in Laskar Pelangi is proudly evident from the authentic, heartwarming, and humanistic performance, as well as the strong visual representation of the Belitung environment. First, authenticity and realism. Riri Riza opted for children actors, most of whom were native Belitung children, exhibiting remarkably natural acting. This choice creates an immense sense of authenticity, allowing the audience to feel deeply connected to their lives and struggles. His vision was to present an honest and touching story without resorting to overly dramatic or artificial performance. Second, emphasize on environment setting. The director heavily emphasized the beautiful natural setting of Belitung while also highlighting the socio-economic limitation. This vision is seen in how natural activity becomes the backdrop for the students' performance, rather than where decoration for intense scans on the beach, under the Phylicium tree, or in the rain are all seamlessly integrate with the character's emotions and narrative. Thirdly, message or hope and perseverance. So the direction of the acting and the emphasis on small moments of joy and real and resilience. Riri Riza successfully conveyed a message of hope amidst adversity. His vision was to inspire, and this is reflected in how each characters, especially Ikal, Lintang, and Mahar, demonstrated an unyielding spirit. For the strong visual narrative, Riri Riza frequently employed wide shoot to capture Belitung's beauty and its contrast with the mode's school conditions. His vision was to let the images speak, complementing the dialogue and acting. Point number 2, actor performance. The actor's performance in Laskar Pelangi are passionately remarkable, especially considering that most were non-professional children actors. First, use of voice or included intonation, volume, tempo to convey emotions. 1. Lintang atau Lintang or Ferry E. Salim. Lintang's voice often sounds direct, clearly, and full of conviction when articulating ideas or answering questions. When he faced difficult, his intonation might show despair, but when he explained complex mathematical formulas with convincing intonation, or when he speaks about his dream for education. 2. Mahar or Beris Yamarno. Mahar process are more artistic and expressive intonation, fighting his imaginative and passionate character. His volume can rise when he discovers a creative idea or becomes excited about music. 3. Bumus or Chutmini. Bumus intonation is warm, passion, and full of affection, yet capable of being firm and authoritative when facing challenges. Her volumes remaining steady in getting composure and difficult situations. 4. Pak Harnan or Ikranagara. Pak Harpan has a soft whisper voice, demonstrating his passive demeanor and calmness as a teacher and leader. Second, use of body, including movement, gesture, blocking to build character or situation. 1. The Rainbow Troup's children. Their body movements are very natural, reflecting an agility and spontaneity of village children. Their blocking is often collective, showcasing their unity and group solidarity. Scans of them running in the fields, playing on the beach, or squeezing into the cramped classroom illustrate their energy and vitality. 2. Lintang. Despite his intelligence, his body movements are sometimes slightly stiff or awkward, illustrating his focus on flow rather than expensive physical activity. However, when excited, his gesture can be highly expressive. 3. Mahar. His body language is more fluid and often critical, especially when he dances or fantasies. His hand gesture frequency illustrate his creative ideas. 4. Ikal or Zulfani. Ikal's body movements are calmer and more observant, coincident with his role as the narrator. 5. Bumus and Pak Harvan. Their movements are more collected and dignified, indicating their position as educators. Their blocking often place them in front of the class or among the students, affirming the guide roles. 3. Particularly striking scan or dialogues due to actor performance. Lintang explaining the math formula scans. Lintang's exhaustive and articulate performance explaining a complex formula in front of class with confession hand gesture truly showcase his intelligence and dedication to education. Lintang farewell scan. Lintang, resilient yet deeply saddened facial expression when he has to drop out of school to work is one of the most poignant moments. Although there is little dialogue, his gesture and facial expression are incredibly powerful. Bumus and Pak Harvan motivational speech. Their dialogues are often delivered with soft yet firm and hopeful intonation, empowering the children. An example is when Bumus convinced Lintang's parents to keep him in school. Mahar's artistic antics. All scan involving Mahar singing or creating, especially when he performs his ghost dance, demonstrate Ferris Yamarnos powers in bringing in the eccentric character to life when humorous and expressive gesture and facial expression. That's all. Back to the moderator.
Thank you, Ani Ferbianti. And for the next, I would like to invite. Thank you for your attention, and we hope you find our presentation insightful. For the last presentation, that is Nida. For Nida, time is yours.
Okay, thank you very much for the run. So here I wanna presentation about striking scene and visual design. So striking scene, Lintang explaining much formula, described as enthusiastic and articulate performs with convincing gesture. So gesting a scene of passion and intellectual prowess. And then the second is Lintang's farewell scene. Portrait resigned yet deeply saddened facial expression and powerful gesture, indicating a poignant and emotional moment of the character. And the last, Mahar's artistic antics, characteristic by bringing eccentric character to life with humorous and expressive gesture or facial expression, highlighting a vibrant and possibly comedic character. And next, visual design, set, custom, and lighting. Set, dilapidated Muhammadiyah school. The description, dilapidated Muhammadiyah school conveying poverty and hope, such as a setting that visually represent hardship, but also a glimmer of optimism. The image on the right side of the document showing a simple, so warm, looking building with a sign that reads SD Muhammadiyah Gantung. Visual confirms this said description. Beautiful Belitung nature. Described as a playground and learning space, indicating the natural environment serves as a significant backdrop for childhood and education, and hearts in mind. Depicting economic realities, implying a contrast with the natural beauty and a representation of the challenge faced by the communities. And the last costume, simple, warm clothes, described as reflecting realism and equality, suggesting that the clothing chose contribute to the authentic portrayal of the character, socio-economic status, and a sense of shared experience. And the last, lighting, brick. There is two, that is bright natural light and dim classroom light. So bright natural light, creating optimist atmosphere. Golden sunrise or sunset, adding hopeful. This suggests this use of natural light to evoke positive and hope. And the second, dim classroom light, emphasizing simple without exalting spirit. This implies that while the classroom condition might be humble, they don't dampen the enthusiasm for learning. And the next slide, aural design and element intersection. So there is 2 points. The first is aural design, sound and music. Sound effect, natural sound like ocean, wine, and birds, creating our authentic background. Heavily raining, building sadness. Lulling mind, sound indicating harsh realities. This indicates that dedicated sound are used to establish realism and evoke specific emotion, like sadness from rain and harshness from mining. And next, music, soundtrack. Laskar Pelangi, as film's anthem, uplifting spirits, melancholic yet hopeful instrument music and changing emotion and building rustic atmosphere. This highlight the use of a key theme song and instrumental music to convey a range of emotional and establish the film's overall mood and setting. And the next, interaction among elements. There is 4 points. The first is contrasting realities. Contrasting realities, visual beauty of nature and dilapidated school set highlight struggle. Apply fit by energetic actor performance. This explains how the visual contrast between nature and poverty is underscored by the actors' portrayals. And the second, amplified emotion. Melancholic music and quiet sound intensify Lintang's farewell sorrow. This shows how aural elements contribute to the emotional depth of a scene. And the third, spirit of togetherness. Collective blocking, supportive dialogue, and uplifting music strengthen friendship and solidarity. This illustrated how various elements like stringing, dialogue, and music work together to convey of unity. And last, crisis directorial guidance. Riri Rizal vision aligns all elements to convey the core message of hope, struggle, and importance of education. This concludes by emphasizing the director's role in harmonizing all these design choose to deliver the film central message. So, in summary, this document provides a comprehensive breakdown on the visual and oral storytelling technique employed. So, I think that's all from me. I will give it back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Nida. And overall, Laskar Pelangi stand as outstanding example of who every performance element work in contrast to build an authentic work, evoke emotion and deliver a powerful and inspiring message to the audience. And now is a session question. Any question, everyone, for this material? No? Okay, thank you very much for your attention. So last we say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi